Roger.
What's up?
What's up? Say hi, Mike.
What's up?
What's up? These guys are about ready to go riding right down here. Down through this gully here. It's nice and white. Real pretty down in through here. Alrighty then. It's so hard to